during this workshop I created a OS concept and an app for that, inspired by the aesthetics of Slavic countryside. So it introduces the topic of slow technology a lot, which I like, so I decided to present it in my project.
Here I am to present our Slavic Monopoly, the project that we've done. It's a board game. During the workshop weeks, we were analyzing all of the Slavic aura, everything about that. We were working with lots of medias. We were working very a lot manually also. And this is how we came up with.
I'm tired, but
Yeah.
it was a really tough week. A lot of work, not that much of the sleep, but I guess the beautiful result at the end. And I think it's really important that we talk about Slavic culture and digital era, because it was forgotten and now we can bring it out. So it's really cool to be part of it.